Hello, this is the Tradesight U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Tuesday, the 10th of January, 2017. Got to get used to saying that, right? Here's a look at the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market. Still sitting where we were 3 weeks ago. Not exactly an exciting start to the year. You could obviously say that the first 3 days of the year were sort of up. Usually the rest of the month goes the other way, but right now it's just very uneventful. It's almost like everybody's waiting to see what's going to happen with the new administration. Here's a look at crude oil down to 51.92 on the session. Gold gains $8.90. The S&P loses 8 points. It's kind of a mixed session as the NASDAQ side was a little more positive. NDX 100 gains 17, almost 18 points to a new closing high, led by Apple on a breakout. Stocks up 9, not much there. Biotech's up 42. The VIX gains 24 cents. By the way, we had a 13 secret buy signal on the VIX the other day. That's a sell signal on the broad market. Trend's got a huge reading at 1.61, that 10-day moving average, holding way up. NASDAQ volume only 1.7 billion, same as it was Tuesday and Wednesday of last week at least. Advanced decline ratio is negative. More stocks down than up. It's been that way for the last couple of days, even though the NASDAQ itself was up. Mostly it's because Apple was up. Advanced decline ratio in New York was worse, negative 821. Google gained 2, getting near highs in a breakout. Here's that Apple run. We had it on the report, made some money on that today. Amazon up 93 cents. Netflix down 12 cents. Tesla up $2.27. Got the TLT, the bonds up. This should be a negative for stocks finally because money stopped coming out of bonds. Almost a buck on the TLT. And the Dow, of course, down 76, which doesn't really matter. Let's take a look at Goldman. This is the one that's got the Dow up over the last couple of weeks, obviously. All right, so let's take a look at the intraday action. Here it is in 5-minute candles. And you can see a pretty flat day on the ES. So Friday, you can see the move up, and then we topped out and rolled back over a bit. So we got a small gap down the ES, never quite filled it. It's just kind of dead flat. And the Qs, no gap, and just kind of drifted. A little more up than flat, but still nowhere near trading average daily range. It was kind of a boring day from that perspective, but we did do well on stocks, made some money on the futures. Can't complain, I guess. Obviously, you'd like to see the market a little more interesting than that. In terms of data moving forward and what we've got on Tuesday, we've got nothing before the bell. JOLTS job openings and wholesale inventories 30 minutes into the market. More data left later on this week. So we will call it from the tape in the morning. We'll see what we can find for the reports for tonight. Hopefully do well with the futures again. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading Tuesday.